So student, today I'll show you how to compress a large video file in a smaller file. So I have installed a compressor. This is called Video Compressor Fast Compressor Video and Photo. So you can see here, and after installing I have to open this. Then we have to find our target video, which is I'm going to convert. So let me open the first one. So now I'll find out the larger file. So now I'll find the larger video here. This is 269 MB. So let me compress it. So we have option compress video, cut and compress, fast forward, extract mp3. There are so many options are here. So I would like to cut and compress or compress video. It depends. If I want to trim anywhere inside the video, I have to cut and compress. If I don't want to edit video anymore, I can directly compress. So let me show you how to compress directly. Compress video. So we have to ignore this app add. So just close here. Now you can see there are so many options are available. 95%, 90%, 85 in this size, and size are also allocated here. So let me compress 45% to 40p. Yeah, don't try to compress more than 50%. It will be better, I think. Yeah, 55% will be good. Let us wait for the compression. So our video is compressed.
Hi
right
there
now.
students. Today I'll show
So
you
see the quality is
how to
decreased
shoot
here.
video with a low resolution so that you can achieve a file with low MB, and how to edit those videos also.
So guys,
See,
I have also uploaded another video, that is
color filter.
Let me open
how to upload in Google Drive
my file manager.
and send them through email link.
Yeah,
So please watch that video from the description or click the I button above
file we have created.
to get the video. Otherwise you can write anytime on YouTube ICT90 and you can achieve the playlist. Thank you.